So this is a part 2 video after installing the Brembo extra disc and prime pads in my car. I have driven approx 60 to 70 kilometers after installing it. They are working extremely well and it's worth every penny, like the vibrations and everything are gone. Brembo prime pads and the ventilated discs, they are worth every penny. I'll show you on that side also. Brembos. So if you are thinking for a same size and you have a budget of 20k, so you can go for these and they are extremely worth it. And just improvements are brake bite is extremely good. It is very improved from the stock one and no vibrations.